Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to do this look. This is really stepping out of my comfort zone. It's something really different for me, so I hope you enjoy it. So let's get right into it. First, I took my Sephora Pro palette in warm, and I'm going to take my blending brush, and the first two colors I'm going to use is the color Terracotta and Sandstone. So I'm going to mix those two colors and blend them in my crease. You want to make sure it's really well blended. So for this look, I'm only going to show you how I did one eye. So you want to do the exact same thing for the second eye. And then I want it to be darker, so I went with the color Cocoa. And I put it right on top of my blending colors. And I put it also in the outer corner. And you just want to take your blending brush right after and make sure everything is well blended. So basically you want to do like something like a halo eye and just leave the middle lid open, so it has to look like this. Then I took my concealer, so I'm just gonna put a bit of concealer. For the colors that I put after are gonna be a bit more intense, but that didn't end up working really well, so you can always skip it if you want. So next I took an eyeshadow brush and I took the color Ochre and put it directly on my lid, exactly where I put the concealer. And then I took the color Copper and put it right on top of the yellow color. So next you take your blending brush and you go back with the color Cocoa and Cedar. So you're just gonna blend everything, because I thought the blending colors that I put before wasn't dark enough. So you just want to darken it up and then blend the gold color and the brown colors together. I'm gonna use the same colors to do my underliner. And then decide to highlight the inner corner with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold, and also my brow bone. So I did my eyeliner off, not on camera, and then I'm gonna put mascara. All the products are gonna be down below like usual, and then I'm just gonna put eyelashes. And then for my lips, I took my MAC Cork Lip Pencil. So I'm gonna keep it really natural. And then I'm gonna take my NYX Soft Matte Cream lip in the color Abu Dhabi and just put it on top. And then I already had a bit of highlight, so I'm just gonna add a bit more, so it's a bit more intense as usual. So I'll put it on my cheeks, my nose, and a bit on my forehead. And then I used my Badescu to set my face. It was a bit wet, so I took my foundation brush just to set it a bit more, just like that. And this is it, guys. So this is my different look. I wanted to try something different for you guys. That's it. Just comment down below, rate this video, and subscribe, please. It was nice to meet you guys sometimes, talk to you guys. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Thanks, bye.